Konnichiwa. My name is Joseph Mudrak, and today I will present to you Ereki Type, a hybrid Japanese typewriter. You might think typewriters are obsolete nowadays, but this is far from the case. They are still useful in areas where speed and security are important, such as law, accounting, or government jobs. Of course, retro enthusiasts demand them as well. The way a traditional typewriter works is it has a set of bars with stamps inside it attached to keys. When you press a key, it pushes the bar onto an ink ribbon and stamps the correct character onto the paper. However, this only really works for alphabets like Latin or Cyrillic. Scripts that are more complex, such as Arabic, present unique challenges in designing a typewriter. Japanese uses three writing systems: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana and katakana each have one sound per syllable. For example, this represents the sound de. Kanji are logographic characters borrowed from Chinese. Japan originally learnt to write from China. Obviously, the number of Chinese characters is large, which means that although they did exist, Japanese typewriters were inefficient and needed great skill to use. This is where Ereki Type comes in. Like modern Japanese keyboards, it maps all kana to specific keys so that they fit on a standard keyboard. As you type, it uses software to predict the correct word based on its pronunciation. However, instead of saving these words, Ereki Type uses a printer so they appear directly on paper, similarly to a Western electric typewriter. I will now explain how the device works in more detail. For example, we will type the word takai, meaning tall, high, or expensive. This word contains both a kanji character and a hiragana character. It is quite common for the scripts to appear together in Japanese. First, we must type the kanji. In this context, we read it as taka. Type the hiragana that spell out taka, which will be on the ta-q and ka-t keys. The display on the device will now show a list of options. Cycle through the list by pressing space until the correct character appears and press enter. Then we must type the hiragana. Just press the key that corresponds to it. In this case it is IE. Note that the hiragana layout has nothing to do with QWERTY, so the pronunciation will not match English. Since I is already the way we want it, press enter straight away to print as is. Since Japanese writing does not use spaces, you can now move on to the next word. I chose to create this project because I am interested in the language and culture of Japan. Ereki Type makes typewriting in Japanese much more accessible, removing the need for years of specialized training. It is also a novel proof of concept that shows the capabilities of all technology, such as dot matrix printers. This concludes my presentation of Ereki Type, a hybrid Japanese typewriter. Thank you so much for watching.